For dinner tonight, I'm gonna make these plant strong skillet burger portobello mushroom. I'm gonna make these into vegan meatballs. So thank you Plant Strong again for sponsoring this video. So this mix is really great. It's just made with organic oats, sunflower seeds, quinoa flakes, garlic, chia seeds, onion powder, red and green bell pepper, portobello mushroom, sea salt, parsley, and oregano. This package makes 4 servings and gives you 7 grams of plant-based protein, as well as iron, calcium, and potassium and fiber. So this is awesome. I'm super excited about making these. This is what it looks like on the inside. And all you do is you combine this mix here with about 6 to 8 ounces of hot water or broth. I'm using some low sodium organic vegetable broth from Trader Joe's. I heated this up in my little Farberware milk warmer. This thing is so cute. Check this out in the link in the description below. This thing is perfect for heating up 6 to 8 ounces of liquid. And then I'm just gonna mix it all up and then let it sit for 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna scoop it into meatballs and bake it in the oven. It smells really good. I could smell the mushrooms and the bell peppers. Okay, the mix has been soaking for about 10 minutes. It's absorbed a lot of that broth. Now, this is optional, but I am gonna use my sprayer here. This is such a great little oil sprayer if you don't wanna do a lot of oil. And then you can line a parchment paper baking sheet, but I like to use these little Pyrex dishes to make meatballs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my ice cream scoop and scoop this into there. All right, so not perfect, but still gonna be delicious. I am gonna spray a little oil on top because I don't want these to get too crunchy on top, but that's also optional. And then I have an oven here preheated to 425 degrees. Let's go ahead and put them in. And I'm gonna set a timer for 15 minutes and then check them. All right, and then with the pasta, I just emptied a can of tomatoes in here. I put a little olive oil and then I got some fresh basil. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and add in about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and about a teaspoon of salt. Oh, this is the garlic powder. And then I'm just gonna let this simmer down for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'll have a nice delicious tomato sauce to go on top of those meatballs. And then I'm also gonna boil some water there for capellini pasta. Okay, here's what they look like after 15 minutes, but I'm just gonna let these cook for another 10 minutes. All right, they feel pretty firm. They look good. We're gonna take these out of the oven now. And our sauce is cooking down really nicely. It smells so good. Okay, I have some of this DeLallo organic whole wheat capellini that I'm going to serve with our portobello mushrooms and tomato sauce. I also have some broccoli, and these take 3 minutes to boil, so I'm just going to put them all into my pot of boiling water to cook at the same time. All right, I got the pasta in there, then I'm going to put the broccoli, and I set a 3-minute timer, and then we're basically done with cooking our dinner. And there is our delicious capellini pasta with our Plant Strong meatballs and broccoli. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this homemade tomato sauce on top. And that was it. This took just about 30 minutes start to finish. So I'm really happy. This is gonna be so good and everything smells so delicious in here. So be sure to check out the links in the description below for where you can purchase this awesome portobello mushroom burger mix that makes burgers, meatballs, meatloaf, taco meat, all kinds of stuff. And that was so quick and easy. And like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.